PHOE is trending up 1.61%. This is Thursday, the 5th of February 2026. You know very well what's wrong with the stock, or rather, what is behind this volatility we're looking at as it concerns PHOE. You can see historical volatility 1,111, 1,117%. 50-day average 37,000. Yeah, so this is why we are looking at this is why it has been volatile. Float is around 5 million, but insiders are holding like completely. I mean, holding all of that, for all of much of that 5 million that is floated. So that portion, what they're holding is passive. It's not active. It's not in the market. This is what is roughly in the market. That is why we have seen the massive. I mean, we can see a volatility 1,117%. That is why we have been looking at that. And I don't think the company has done any. They haven't taken advantage of this huge appreciation to raise funds. I don't think so. I don't think they have. So they haven't diluted yet. So yeah, short sellers and profit takers, they do their best to to bring it down and all of that. But it's I think that we're still in that regime, the regime of an effective tiny float. This is really, really, really tiny, really, really tiny. Don't be surprised if they are maybe asked to even increase the effective float. But I mean, I think I don't think they. I mean, you can't blame them for that. I don't think it's in my opinion they haven't insiders are allowed to own the stock, and they have just done that. What is available is just this 37,675. But in any case, based on this 4-hour chart, the extrapolation is saying that we might have an expansion today towards an expansion today towards the end of today's trading session. If this is anything to go by, we're looking at 27.26. It's currently at 19.65. That is what is the prevailing price, 19.65. Okay, we can't get any intraday high because of this 133.12. It printed all the way back in February. I was Friday. That was yeah. So we can't. It's overshadowing. It's overshadowing things. We can still get them anyway. We have this printed on Tuesday, 31.61. So it's volatile. It will expand, contract. So the expansion is saying that today we might see an up day. And then after that, from the close of today's trading session, it might pull back again. But interestingly enough, the 40 period moving average is expected to serve as a support, as a strong support, at least up till next week, Thursday the 12th. Okay, we'll see how it goes. And it has $130, $130. You can see that this is a pivotal projection. It was initiated on Tuesday the 3rd of February, and still being reiterated up till today. We'll see how all of that will go. What are the odds it will expand again to retest that high? Let's see now. Statistically, what is that saying? What is that saying? Nothing, not very tiny, very, very tiny. What of retesting 30.88? Very higher than 50%. I would say up to 90% that they will do that statistically, but there's no guarantee that that will be the case. Indeed, also it has a downward projection of 15.75 as well. So let's see what we have on its daily chart. Is it going to give us anything here on the daily chart? Okay, it doesn't have enough data. Hasn't been around that long. I think we'll just go back to the 4-hour chart and have a look at its market grid. Market grid will also give us more. I think I would say the sort of prices you get from the market grid, they are based on what is going on. Indeed, the Fibonacci projections are also based on what is going on, but they are a lot more reactive. They're a lot more reactive, much more, um, much more reactive, much more inclusive. It marries more of what is going on. So that's why it's quite reliable, and it gives you this SXT price. If it comes down here, the chance of the buy the dip opportunity improves a lot. Fibonacci projections really don't tell you all of those things. So here it tells you if you're if you're advancing towards the resistances, you have to start exiting. If you're advancing towards the supports, you have to maybe start getting ready to buy more, or a bounce is expected and all those sort of things. So it's currently at 19 point. The current price is 19.65, or rather 19.3 here on this chart. So this is where it is, just between the resistance and the supports, with an upward trajectory. So 21.03 is something that can happen. Does it have any? Is that a resistance? How robust is that resistance? 19 point. Okay, it also has 19.81, 19.82. So it has to. There's a good strong resistance there. 19.81, 19.82. It has to. If it breaches that, then 21.03 is likely to happen. Yeah. So that, I think its biggest resistance right now is 19.81. Yeah, 19.81. No, it's not really. Yeah, 19.81. Yeah, it is. It is. It's not really a big resistance. It's not. It's not being reiterated. They are the same. This is extrapolating. It's three. No, this is the 40 period moving average, and this is also the same thing. So they're not really. They're the same thing. So it's not a consolidation. Not yeah, not really. So it's just one price, 19.81. Um, it may be able to surpass it. The extrapolation is saying that it might do so. You know, um, outside that 21.03, they're not really. I don't think we have any other thing. 24. Do we have 24 anywhere else? Let's see. We don't have 24 anywhere else. So it looks like something it might just be able to breeze through. It looks like it might be able to breeze through these resistances. So, well, let's see how all of this will pan out, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.